The next thing I'm going to do is translate whatever we saw in the flow chart into an actual Dialogflow agent. So we have this Scratchpad bot, which is just a new agent. And what I'll do is I'll go into the default welcome intent and I'll keep the welcome event, but I'll delete the existing text response, and I'll also delete these or I'll just keep it as they are. I don't think that they're going to affect the behavior of the bot. So in the place of this, I'm going to add this text response, and that is going to be, are you building a voice bot? And then it's going to ask, it's going to provide suggestion chips to ask yes or no. And I'm going to use my BotFlow app to sort of make this process a little faster for me. And I'm going to copy this and paste it here. And then let's go ahead and also change this, or just add the number 1 to indicate that this is the welcome intent. So this is taken care of the welcome intent, but we need to do one more thing. So you notice that the await underscore voice bot has to be set as the output context for the welcome intent. So I'm going to make it await underscore voice bot. As soon as you tab out of that, you find that the default lifespan is set to 5. As you know, I recommend changing it to 1. So let's go ahead and do that and save it. So this is taking care of the first intent. Now we create a new intent, and that's going to be, let's just start copying stuff over. So this is going to be called voicebot.yes, and in this case the input context is going to be await underscore voicebot. You don't need an output context because that ends the conversation, as you can see. So the user is going to just say yes, and the bot is going to say use Dialogflow CX. So notice that in a sense I'm just sort of blindly copying and pasting from the flowchart, and because that's actually sufficient for this for what we have done till now. And the next thing I'm going to do is create another intent, and let's go ahead and save it just to be sure, and add another intent. Come back to this flowchart, voicebot.no, save it. So this is also going to use the same input context await underscore voicebot, but this is asking a question in this case because it's asking, are you building a pure FAQ bot? So it's going to expect an answer, which means of course that you do need to have the output context set for that particular intent. So you have this pure FAQ bot, and once again change the context lifespan to 1. The training phrase, if you remember, has to be no because the user says no in this particular case. And let's just save it quickly. Then we scroll down, and in the response we are going to ask the question, are you building a pure FAQ bot? And then we have this custom payload, and in the next video I'm going to show you how we are going to generate the custom payload for this.